Hello. This is LucyMath, the new number system. I would like to introduce the outline of the Riemann hypothesis, Solutions for All Integers, published in November 2020. The first edition has already sold out, but the English and Korean first editions are available for purchase at various ebook stores. Specific and detailed information about the Riemann hypothesis has already been posted on the following blog. If you have any questions, please contact the email address posted on the blog and I will do my best to answer you. The general view of the Riemann hypothesis is that it is a problem of prime numbers by the Euler product of the zeta function. Therefore, the Riemann hypothesis is that there are non-trivial zeros on the critical line of 1/2 by the analytic continuation of the diverging region of the zeta function. Rather than focusing on this analytic continuation, we can define the integral by expanding the zeta function and eta function in the diverging negative domain. This is due to the relationship with the gamma function in the positive domain, and is equivalent to subtracting one term of the exponential function. If we can define zeta function, eta function, L function, and subordinate zeta function in the negative domain, we can extend the domain of these exponential functions to the positive domain and integrate them. Therefore, we can obtain zeta function, eta function, etc. For natural numbers, and in particular, whether the a priori constant and the Catalan's constant are irrational numbers and transcendental numbers is an unsolved problem in mathematics. This book naturally includes analytic continuation, but for the sake of consistency of notation, the Riemann zeta function is simply called the zeta function and the Dirichlet eta function is simply called the eta function. Also, the odd zeta function is the same as the Dirichlet lambda function, and the odd eta function is the same as the Dirichlet beta function. The Dirichlet L function is simply called the L function. As mentioned above, the analytic continuation is due to the relationship with the gamma function, and the L function is equal to the sum of the subordinate zeta functions by the Dirichlet characteristics. The subordinate zeta function is a mod representation of the Hurwitz zeta function. Therefore, if we obtain the L function for natural numbers by the Gaussian sum, we can obtain all the subordinate zeta functions again. The values of zeta function, eta function, and subordinate zeta function for natural numbers presented in this book are very accurate, and in particular, the a priori constant and Catalan's constant are consistent up to 1500 decimal places. You can check the specific expansion and calculation values on the blog, and you can calculate them with Wolfram alpha. This book does not prove the Riemann hypothesis, but concludes by saying that practical computational methods may be more important in mathematics. If possible, you can purchase it from the ebook store for more information.